We're here in Negril, and it's our breakfast time at our favorite spot, the sweet spot. And I'm having ackee and sawfish, callaloo, fried dumpling, fried plantains, and I'm having some beetroot juice mixed with carrot juice. Rasta is having peanut punch.
What's up, baby? Empress Yudah.
Look how me short. Look how me short.
Yeah, man.
I can hardly fit into the frame of the camera to fit both of us in. Look there. Rasta, you're taller than me, no? Look there.
King.
Rasta, you're taller than me.
King.
You're taller than me, Rasta. See there? I mean, I hold the camera good. There we go. We are taking a morning walk. We just had our breakfast. How is it going? Eat off all of my lipstick, kuya. It's alright. Yeah. It's a nice sunny morning in Jamaica. The roads are busy. Look at that. Busy roads. Busy roads. Busy roads. And we are walking. And it's nice and sunny.